Hi guys, welcome to Bridgeton Investment. International Gemnol India recently reported its earnings. It reported very good earnings, reacting very good positivity to it. You know what happened today after International Gemnol India? Quarter to quarter, but year to year very good improvement, especially I'm noticing more with the Indian markets. Indian when India reports its quarterly earnings, they mostly react to year, not quarter to quarter, whereas in US it's mostly with the Wall Street estimates and this one, what do you call, quarter to quarter. Even profit, it's very good growth. After this, I'm so happy I bought. I noticed this stock, and I am about 10% up. But I'm little bit sad that one of my orders with International Gemnol India didn't get executed. I forgot to buy it at the market price earlier. But who cares? I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. So my next area would be at this level. It would go on a crazy bull run. It's still at a good risk to reward ratio. Still has a good risk to reward ratio. But my next entry would be, I would be adjusting my entry based on its rally. I would catch this next lower lows. I'll catch this next lower highs. If I termed it correct. So news coming to international. There's a lot of good estimates. The post this group earnings. Street. Dalal Street is putting really emphasis on international gem knowledge. There are really good expectation for international Gemnol India. International Gemnol India revenue projects over 15% growth and 20% growth, EBITDA growth for the year. Management remains optimistic about achieving and surpassing this target. You know, and I was looking at the management commentary. Management highlighted that growth moment across all segments and plan for strategic expansion, more retail, uh, including global retail partnership, digital laboratory, and geographic expansion beyond India. And company continues to focus on innovation, meeting evolving consumer demand for and traceability. So, like I said, India demand for gold and in jewelry in terms, especially with Indian aunties, it's only going to grow, and industry is looking good. I would really suggest, and don't listen to me, follow your own advices. I'm really optimistic in this company. I will be buying more dips later. I'll be buying the next lower lows later, but as of right now I'm not, because it's going on to go in a crazy rally, and I never want to buy in a good market rally. I did that mistake a lot earlier, but yeah, I only. And considering another news is, I hate this lady so much, so I'm not going to say her name. If I say something bad about her, I don't want to get cancelled. Efforts being made, waiting for final results. Now here is the thing. Trump, eh, I heard that Trump got a lot of Jewish friends, or hedge fund manager. A lot of his friends are Jewish hedge fund managers. So they are just is just manipulating market. The two things, these things take a lot of time. The proper deal has to come. And considering that this would take, I wouldn't be surprised. Uh, I wouldn't be surprised, if it gets cancelled, because it's coming at an expense of India-Russia relationship, and that is not wise to make this trade deal happen. If that happens, I'm very sorry. This is not a new India, as per my outlook. And a lot of Trump's friend got this Jewish hedge fund manager, so they're all with that. So Trump is just manipulating market from them. He's just waiting for a perfect TP. One of his, I heard one of his friend is a Jewish, is a hedge fund manager, and he made about $630 million from Indian market post this. post this what you call post this what that tariff deal, the initial tariff deal. So it is coming into fruition a little bit. It is coming into fruition. So I am starting to look more into even with Fed is going into quantitating easing. They're going to pump markets, put money into it. But what I heard is not true, honestly, because you know they're just putting the money back in and just taking it back. So my ITC order didn't get executed, but now would be. I'm I'm looking to buy more of ITC. I'm looking to buy more of ITC now, but only I'll be earning putting it at this level, this fair value graph you could see here. So yeah, I'll be interested in that. So I'm gonna be putting my orders in right now for the ITC 4.405 for 20. Let's put it 12. Let's put 12. Yeah. Okay. So that's it from me today, and I'm going to be discussing about Grow's IPO, why I'm interested in its IPO, why I'm interested in investing in this company post its IPO. So that's it from me. Please like the video, subscribe, and see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.